How and why do we cough?
It's an old form of yoga, dude.
No. Before explaining the how part, let's first understand why we cough. Coughing is body's protective mechanism which helps us clear our breathing passage of dust, microbes, irritants, etc. There are two types of cough, wet and dry. They may be caused due to common cold, flu, allergies, smoking, etc. Now, let us see how we cough. When anything irritates our breathing passage, our brain activates the cough response. First of all, we gasp in a large volume of air into our lungs. Next, the epiglottis closes off the windpipe. Then, the rib and abdominal muscles contract, putting pressure on the lungs. But as the windpipe is closed, the air can't move out, so pressure builds up. Finally, the epiglottis opens and air forcefully rushes out, carrying the irritant and thus producing a cough.
So, here we go, friends. Next time you find yourself on a coughing spree, instead of getting mad about it, just thank your coughing reflex for protecting you from harmful particles. But remember, my friends, most lingering coughs are normal and harmless. But if you can't figure out the causes on your own, or if your cough isn't getting better after a week or so, do talk to your parents or guardians about it and visit your doctor ASAP.